to subscribe, like, and share. Give this video a big thumbs up. And today I'm going to be showing you static charge science experiments. I don't know how many science experiments of static charge there are going to be. There could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. But anyway, let's see how many static charge experiments I can make. Let's roll on to the video. So for the first static charge science experiment, what you need is a balloon and cut out sheets of paper. So what you do is rub it on your head like this, you know? And then what you do is you got the static charge. Everything, lots of paper just sticks on, as you see. Now, if no paper sticks on like this, well, what you can do is rub it on your head again. And now more sheets of paper could stick on, okay? So that's for the first science experiment. So for the second static charge science experiment, what you need is a pipe, a PCP pipe, or some balloon. I'm using a PCP pipe, and you also need a pencil. It should have a sharp point, so it can like hold on to it can fall like that. Play-Doh, regular Play-Doh, and then a square sheet of paper. I choose origami paper to make it faster. So first what you do is roll the Play-Doh into a ball shape. And I got this. What you do is you get the pencil, stick it down, and after you got the Play-Doh stuck into the pencil, what you do is you get your square sheet of paper and you fold it like that. As you see, and you open it up, do it that way, and fold the other way. So when you open it, you have a square lines, right? So what you do is you may want to repeatedly folding them like that and like that, so it makes the creases. So it makes a point in the middle, right? So if you know the point, you want to make it stick on the pencil's tip. So it's like that, right? Now if you get the PCP pipe, you could rub out some cloth or hair. I'm going to rub it on my hair so it creates a static charge. Okay, so now I have the PCP pipe. Now it rolls the way you want it. And it could fall, but you can put it back on. Rub hair. It'll start going there. It could also go the other way. Come on. And you hit it off. So that's for the second static charge science experiment. For the third static charge science experiment, what you're going to do is again rub your head with the balloon. Okay, now you got the static charge. Now what you do is you want to get your sink and just pull a tiny little draw like that. You roll it again, and the line will move next to your balloon because it's static electricity. I'm not even touching it, just getting close to it. You see? If you rub it again, it's like dancing. Da 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 da. See, if you look at the sink carefully, the line will move. That's for our third static charge science experiment. For the fourth static charge science experiment, what we're going to be using is a balloon, black pepper, and a plate. What you're going to do is rub it over your head like this, you know? Then you're going to get a static charge. Look what happens to the pepper. And all the pepper stick to the pink balloon. You may not want to rub this balloon on your head again until you wash it. Pepper on your head. But anyway, so you know how we saw few minutes ago how paper could get stuck to a balloon, but now black peppers getting stuck. And with the paper, you could reuse the balloon, and without washing it. But this, you may want to wash it before using this balloon. But for now, this is the 4th static charge experiment. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. You're most welcome to subscribe, like, and share. And moving on to the 5th one. For the 5th, it could be the last one. Static charge science experiment. So what you'll need is a straw, a very long straw. What you'll need is bubble solution. You don't really need bubble solution. You could just mix regular tap water and some soap. And what you'll need is a plate and the magical pipe. You can also use PCP pipe. But anyway, let's move it on. So you got this thing. What you do is you pour a bit in of your bubble solution. Okay. And then what you do, you can decide which one you pour it to the side you're not going to blow on. If you're going to blow on this side, then put the water on this side. Do the opposite. So I'm going to be putting this part in, so you blow from the other side. I'm going to blow a bubble. 2 bubbles. I mean, who cares? I mean, using the bubble. You're going to rub it over your head. Static charge. The bubbles just move the way you want them. See? Ooh, look, this may go super fast. And it pops. So now I'm going to tell you how all of these cool static charge experiments work. So what happens is that your body is full of atoms, as you may know, and their middle is called the nucleus, and that's positively charged. And the stuff that surround the nucleus and are the borders of the atom are electrons that are negatively charged. So when your body rubs with another thing, let's say a balloon, the balloon also has atoms. And when your body rubs with it, some of the atoms, electrons, fly into the other's stuff that you're rubbing with it, go into their atoms, like the balloon. So your body's atoms go into the balloon's atoms, and that makes you positively charged and the balloon negatively charged. That causes the static electricity. So that's how all these static charge experiments work. And hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and give this video a big thumbs up, and bye!